Hello everyone, today I will tell you lantern making. This is very easy. So you have to take one green paper, one silver paper, ribbon, fabric, scissors, knife and scale, and then sketch pen or pencil, anything. So, one of the paper is that rectangle and one of the square. So look at this is the extra paper. So I line it here and I just cut it out. No, I just give the one more gap in here because I want a small paper of that, so I just cut it out. If you want, you don't cut it. So this one we can use for the stripes. So here I want to use the different color, that's why I just take the silver paper, and now I give the 1 inch of the space upside and the downside, and I just draw one line of that. Look at this. And I am taking the same width of that. Look at this. Now here in the center of that we have to draw lines. We are leaving 1 centimeter and just draw some line if you want, or you can direct cut it. So you just fold the properly paper and you just use the scissor and cut it. Don't cut fully. You have to leave the upside space. We already leave that 1 inches of there. So same as it is, you have to cut it. After cutting it look like that, and then we will stick it here. Here we will put the favicol upside also and the downside. In the silver area we have to leave that 1 inches. So there we will stick it here upside, and now it's a downside also. We will stick like this. Look at this. Now it will dry, so it will come nicely. Last strip in any side, it's the left side or right side, we will cut it out. So we will use the favicol because we want to fold this paper for the lantern. Look at this, it's look like that. Now I'm taking the orange paper for the stripes. So here we will take some margin. So this area we will leave it and rest of we will cut. We are not cut it fully. Look at this. Now it's done. And now in the upside we have to give the margin area. So here we will put the favicol and we will stick it on the back side of that green paper, this paper. Look at this, like this we will stick. Now we have to turn it, this paper, and we will stick like that. So it's look nice. Like this we will do. See here I just cut it and then I just put the favicol. If you want, you can do the stapler also. Firstly you have to do the stapler and then you have to put the favicol and stick it. So it's much better. But I can do this one only. Now it's dry. So it's look like that. I'm not using ribbon. Instead of ribbon I'm using the paper stripe, and I just staple it like this both sides. Now it's done. Look at this. If you want, you can decorate it also.